Pewdiepie has just released Odysseus AI, and it offers you a smooth interface like ChatGPT or Claude, but running entirely on your own machine. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local and free AI tools to build practical AI projects right on your own consumer hardware, completely free of cost. And today, using the Odysseus tool, I'm going to be building my automated workspace builder that can replicate the UI experience of premium paid models. So first, let's cover what this new tool is all about. This tool is meant to be used as a self-hosted AI workspace, which can run on your own hardware using your own data. So all your chats, documents, and data stays completely private without sending them to the cloud APIs of Claude or ChatGPT. The first and foremost feature of this tool is chat interface, which is incredibly flexible, and you can plug in your local setups using the Ollama, OpenRouter, or OpenAI interfaces. Allows you to switch between the local models and the paid APIs if you want in your use cases. Then you can actually give the built-in AI agent access to your own files, web search, and command line tools, and it will figure out how to completely do the complex tasks by itself. Then if you're confused about which AI model to download and run on your own hardware, the cookbook feature will scan your hardware, your available memory, and recommends the best model that will run smoothly for you. There's also a dedicated research feature that browses the web, reads multiple sources, and can put together a clean visual report for you. Then you can also test different AI models side by side to see which one actually gives you the best results without any model biases. The test runs completely blind, so there is no bias or preference to any of the models. It also features a rich multi-tab document editor where you can control the writing of the text, and the AI will only step in to offer you some suggestions and some smart edits that you can make. The tool has persistent memory and skills as well, so the agent actually remembers your past conversations and learns your preferences over time by using a local vector database. Then you can connect your email accounts, and the AI will automatically tag, summarize, and even draft replies for your incoming messages. Then if you want your AI to act like a personal organizer, it can track your daily checklists and also schedule the tasks that the agent can interact with. You also get a fully integrated calendar that can sync with Apple services or Nextcloud, so the AI knows your entire calendar schedule. And you're not just stuck to your desk, because the interface is fully responsive and can work on your mobile devices as well by just installing the simple setup. Getting started with this tool is also straightforward because the default settings are already configured to work perfectly the moment you launch the tool. The cleanest and most reliable way is the Docker method, which can package the entire tool cleanly in a simple box that you can run in a single command. With a simple Docker compose rebuild instruction, it will download all the necessary components and also spin up the entire AI workspace. The first time you set up the tool, the Odysseus will automatically create an admin account for you and generate a temporary password for you in the terminal logs. And once the installation finishes, you just need to go to the localhost URL and access the brand new dashboard of the Odysseus tool. If you do not want to use Docker, you can also use the native in Linux and macOS installation. Just set up a Python virtual environment and install the required libraries, and then using the UECon setup, you can directly launch the local URL. Native Apple and Windows support is also there, where you just need to pass one PowerShell command and set up the entire virtual environment automatically. Any AI model that you will be downloading will be saved securely in this cookbook storage, which would be your local folder in the container, so you do not lose them even if you restart or update your system. And if you have a powerful graphic card of, let's say, NVIDIA, you can directly enable the specific hardware overlays in the configuration and get incredibly fast response times from the AI models. Finally, there are some security recommendations as well, that you should keep the auth enabled true so nobody else on your network can access your private AI setup. And if you are planning to access your workspace outside your home, you should set up a reverse proxy and put the tool behind HTTPS so your passwords and data are securely encrypted. And you don't have to worry about your data getting leaked, because all of your user data will live in this data folder, where every single chat log, documents, and the settings are saved locally in a dedicated folder on your system. Now I'm going to set up this tool in my own system. For the coding environment, I'm going to be using Google Antigravity. If you don't have it installed, just go to antigravity.google/download and download the installer according to your platform. Then for using the local AI models, we are going to need Ollama. So just go to ollama.com/download and download the installer according to your platform. For this quick demo, I'm going to be using a tiny model, which is Llama 3.21b, which is built by the Meta family. Now I've opened this Google Antigravity, where we'll just use some simple commands to set up the tool using the local Llama 3.2 model. So for the setup of this project, we just need to install Python in our Antigravity terminal. For installing, you just need to go to the extension tab, search Python here, and just install the Python language in the Antigravity. For me, as I've already installed, it is showing disable, but if you don't have it installed, it will show you enable or install. Then you need to download and install ollama.com from the website that I have just shown. Now to install the Llama 3.2 model, we just need to run this Ollama run query. So just open the terminal by expanding this below pan and pasting the query here. Once it is installed, you can directly use it as a chatbot or use it in some other tools like Odysseus that we are going to use today. So you can directly send messages to this chatbot or just press by command to exit it. I will close the terminal. Now to set up the entire Odysseus tool, I have just made the setup workspace Python file, which will have all the required commands in a single file. So first, to get the local Ollama models, I've just made this get Ollama model function, which will run Ollama list and check all the models that are currently available in your system. Then using this function, we'll just start the Odysseus workspace. I have currently hard-coded the Llama 3.2 model, but you can directly directly change it by printing the available models and selecting any one of them that you have already available. Then in second step, I'll just make the Ollama directory structure and write whatever the workspace needs. And step 2 would be to build the Odysseus directory structure and write whatever the workspace needs. And finally, the .env file will have all of your local Ollama model and your API URL if you are using an external API. Now to set up this workspace and install the Odysseus library, we need to run some commands in the terminal. I put all of these in this readme file. You just need to copy them and paste them in the terminal. This readme file will be available in the GitHub link in the description and pinned comments, so you can directly copy the commands and paste it in your terminal. So I'll copy all of these, expand the terminal and paste them here. So now it is running all those steps that we have defined in the Python file, and it has also started the server using the same command that was available in the official documentation as well. And once you run the commands, you will see the Odysseus tool launched in this URL with the model selected as Llama 3.21b. I can directly chat with this model. Let's say if I press hi, it will directly say how can I assist you today. Let's say if I just ask a simple question, what is 2 plus 2? It has replied on the same minute saying that the calculation is straightforward, 2 plus 2 is 4. On the side menu, you will also see all the kinds of different features that I have talked about, like you can add the email integration, you can add some brain, calendar, compare different models, use the cookbook to check which model you will be able to run on your system configuration. You can do some deep research, check the gallery, library, your personal notes, your tasks that you have scheduled, and below you will see the username, which I have used the default one, which is admin. So now you can directly play with this tool and all of its features. And that was it for this Odysseus demo. We saw how it can act like an incredible all-in-one AI workspace library for you, which respects your privacy and runs entirely on your own local hardware. The complete readme file with the step-by-step instruction will be available in the GitHub link in the description and pinned comments, so you can set up your own personal workspace. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to cover more local AI tools and models, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.